Most helicopters are not designed for speed, but are built to be comfortable, efficient, and reliable. Commercial helicopters typically use strong turboshaft engines to fly forwards and are engineered to fly smoothly and controllably. Available in a wide market for an affordable price. However, if you have a need for speed and the cash to splash, then you can invest in a super fast racing helicopter, like those used by the military and in competitions. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss another future video. If you enjoy this content, please consider liking it. Number 10. CH-47F Chinook. With a heart-racing top speed of over 300 kilometers per hour, the CH-47F Chinook is built by Boeing and used for the U.S. military as a multi-mission chopper for a range of attack roles. The engineering of the CF-47F is super robust, and it is a twin-engine helicopter with tandem rotors. During the Vietnam War, the CH-47F Chinook was used for transporting troops across the jungle. Number 9. AW-139. While she was still operating, AgustaWestland was well known and revered around the world for building reliable, speedy helicopters for a range of military applications. The AgustaWestland 139 is still one of the fastest ever helicopters in 2020. And since its first flight in 2001, it has gained popularity for its powerful engines and ability to achieve speeds above 300 kilometers per hour, cruising through the air. Number 8. Kamov Ka-52. Russian attack helicopters are absolute beasts, and the Kamov AK-52 is definitely no exception. Although the first models rolled off the production lines in the 90s, it has been used and adored for decades, and with the capability to achieve furious speeds approaching 315 kilometers per hour, with great turning rates and controllability, it is often called the best attack helicopter in the world. Its nickname, the Alligator, strikes fear into the hearts of anyone who is in firing range. With close to a 700-mile range and with fittings to carry a range of anti-tank, anti-ship, and anti-aircraft missiles, the Kamov Ka-52 is a monster and will rule the skies with terror. Number 7. Airbus H-155. We actually have a civilian helicopter. This is the Airbus H-155, the fastest civilian helicopter that is commercially sold, and it can reach a top speed of 320 kilometers per hour. It is a twin-engine helicopter and reasonably efficient. Number 6. AH-64 Apache. This wouldn't be the fastest helicopter video without us including the legend itself, the globally known and loved Apache attack helicopter. An American-built warrior, the AH-64 Apache has been used for decades and has been deployed on battlefields all across the world. With a heart-pumping top speed of 365 kilometers per hour and potential to surpass that when the engine is running at maximum, the Apache is outpaced by very few other choppers. It is most commonly fitted with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and has tough armor, defending the crew against all sorts of attacks. Number 5. AW-159 Lynx Wildcat. After the Westland Lynx was retired following 3 decades of service, its replacement, the AW-159 Lynx Wildcat, outdid it in terms of technological advancement for a variety of missions, although it is almost 100 kilometers per hour slower, unfortunately. Number 4. Westland Lynx. A popular helicopter in Britain, the Westland Lynx can approach speeds of over 400 kilometers per hour and has served for over 30 years. In total, 450 models were produced. Number 3. Eurocopter X3 X-Cubed. Although the Eurocopter X3 is only an experimental helicopter, it is still a monster in the air and can race up to 470 kilometers per hour. It is popular in France and has broken numerous records. Technically, it is classified as a long-range hybrid helicopter. Number 2. V-22 Osprey. Produced by Bell and Boeing, the famous V-22 Osprey is a tri-rotor helicopter with capabilities for a range of attack missions. First produced in the late 80s, the V-22 Osprey is still a popular and fantastic helicopter choice for military applications and has fittings for a range of missiles. It is well known for its strong, durable armor plating. Although it is technically faster than the X-2 at over 500 kilometers per hour, it isn't really a helicopter and is more of a plane chopper hybrid. Number 1. Sikorsky X-2. Since 2010, when it first began competing, the Sikorsky X-2 has won numerous speeds and acceleration records in helicopter competitions, and it is now recognized as the fastest helicopter in the world. With 2 rotors and a super quiet engine, the X-2 can take harsh turns easily, outpace every other helicopter, and cruise swiftly. It can achieve a speed of 480 kilometers per hour when running at maximum power.